So friends, in previous lecture, we have discussed regarding the construction of centrifugal pump and its important component we have already studied in the previous lecture. So here, I once again don't want to waste the time to explaining each and every element of this centrifugal pump in this lecture. I request you to write down the construction of centrifugal pump. Okay, so give the heading construction. Construction. Next line, write down a centrifugal pump. A centrifugal pump. Centrifugal pump consists of following elements. The first one means number one, footwall and strainer. Footwall and strainer. Footwall and strainer. Foot valve and strainer. Next line, write down. Footwall and strainer. Footwall and strainer are attached to the end of suction pipe. To end of suction pipe. Which has been immersed in the sump of liquid. Which has been immersed in the sump of liquid. Foot valve is a non-return type valve. Is a non-return type of valve which is not allowing the liquid in the suction pipe to come back into the sump. Okay, so next line, you make paragraph and write strainer is the filter. Strainer is the filter which helps to filter the liquid which is entering into the suction pipe, which is entering into the suction pipe from the sump. The liquid, next line, the liquid which is entering in the suction pipe may have some floating particles, in bracket muddy particles म्हणजे चिखलाचे कण. मडी पार्टिकल्स म्हणजे चिखलाचे कण, मडी पार्टिकल्स. which is known as debris, 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 full stop. Such debris will not enter into the suction pipe due to strainer. The next component or mechanical element is nothing but sump.
Hello.
Yes.
ते लास्ट लाईन अजून एकदा रिपीट करता का?
काय?
लास्ट लाईन रिपीट. लास्ट अजून एकदा रिपीट करा म्हणलो.
Is also called as a debris. It will not enter into suction pipe due to strainer. The next component or mechanical element is suction pipe. The pipe which carries which carries liquid from sump to eye of impeller is called as suction pipe. It's called as suction pipe. Suction of liquid takes place. Suction of liquid takes place. Suction of liquid is taken place, mana. Taken place in this pipe. In this pipe. Number 3, shaft of centrifugal pump. Shaft of centrifugal pump. Shaft of centrifugal pump. It is first element. It is first element of centrifugal pump mechanism. It is the first element of centrifugal pump mechanism. It is first element of centrifugal pump mechanism. This shaft is coupled. This shaft is coupled. This shaft is coupled with motor shaft. With motor shaft. When motor is started. When motor is started. When motor is started, shaft of the centrifugal pump, shaft of centrifugal pump, shaft of centrifugal pump will get rotary motion. When motor is started, shaft of centrifugal pump will get rotary motion. Fourth, next line, fourth, impeller. 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 Impeller is rotary disc. Impeller is rotary disc on which curved blades are present. Impeller is a rotary disc on which curved blades are present. Fifth element, eye of impeller. Eye of impeller. It is the portion. It is the portion it is the portion present in between shaft of centrifugal pump, shaft of centrifugal pump, shaft of centrifugal pump and impeller and impeller and impeller. Next, casing. Casing. Casing is casing is casing is the cover of centrifugal pump. Casing is cover of centrifugal pump. Suction pipe and delivery pipe, suction pipe and delivery pipe 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 are attached to the casing, are attached to the casing. Casing is a tight cover which does not allow any kind of the leakage of liquid during pumping process. Pumping process. Pumping process. Okay. Now, I request you to keep your pen and notebook aside and concentrate towards this working process. Okay. So, first of all, concentrate on this center part of your pump. So this central part of the pump, at the midpoint, we can see the shaft, and this shaft is coupled with the motor shaft. ये जो shaft है वो motor shaft के साथ coupled किया हुआ रहता है. When motor shaft starts its rotations or twist, this middle shaft is also start rotating about itself. ये कनेक्ट किया हुआ जो है उसकी वजह से जब मोटर शाफ्ट रोटेट होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है तो ये जो यहां पंप का जो शाफ्ट है ये भी शाफ्ट रोटेट हो जाना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. इट इज रोटेटिंग हियर इन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. ये यहां एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में रोटेट होता है. And when it starts rotating, the impeller, you know what is the impeller? Impeller is nothing but the rotary disc on which curved blades or vanes are mounted. You can see the diagram of impeller here. It is in front of you on the screen. So this is the diagram of the impeller, and here you can see the central hole where we are going to fix the shaft. Okay, means जब shaft move हो जाना start हो जाता है तो ये rotary disc भी move हो जानी start हो जाती है. And when it rotates, when this impeller start rotating, due to its speed or due to this rotary action of the blades with the high speed, what is going to be happen? The vacuum is going to generate inside this casing, inside this suction pipe. When impeller start rotating with the high speed and vacuum is going to be get generated, so this liquid from this sump is trying to come inside this particular suction pipe, and through suction pipe it is entering into the casing. वैक्यूम की वजह से संप में फुटवॉल और स्ट्रेनर से पास होके लिक्विड सक्शन पाइप और सक्शन पाइप से लेके यहां केसिंग में एंटर करता है. एंड इट इज एंटरिंग थ्रू दिस आई ऑफ द इंपेलर, यानी कि ये यहां ये जो सेंट्रल में हम ये स्पेस देख रहे हैं इस स्पेस से अंदर आता है. एंड व्हेन लिक्विड इज रीचिंग ओवर हियर इट विल बी डायरेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स द आउटवर्ड डायरेक्शन of this impeller. जब यहां तक लिक्विड पहुंच जाता है तो इंपेलर की ब्लेड की वजह से वो लिक्विड यहां से बाहर थ्रो किया जाता है. एंड यू नो दैट देयर आर टू फोर्सेस, सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स एंड सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स. सो हियर ड्यू टू दिस सेंट्रीफ्यूगल एक्शन द लिक्विड विच इज एंटरिंग एट द सेंटर ऑफ द impeller is thrown outside. Outside means into this casing, and due to this particular cover the directed liquid is try to move outside with high velocity, high pressure by this delivery pipe. और जब इंपेलर से होता हुआ ये लिक्विड केसिंग के कवर पे आके स्ट्राइक हो जाता है तो इस मूवमेंट की वजह से, इस सेंट्रीफ्यूगल एक्शन की वजह से दिस लिक्विड ट्राइज टू कम आउट थ्रू डिलीवरी पाइप. दिस इज इट्स very very simple working principle. Understand? So when we are going to start the pump, shaft of the motor is going to start rotating. These rotations are transferred toward the centrifugal pump shaft. This impeller is mounted on the shaft. So when shaft start rotating, impeller is also start rotating, and due to that rotation, here inside the casing and inside the suction pipe, vacuum is created. The liquid will enter in the suction pipe through footwall and strainer, and the liquid, when it is going to enter in the eye of this impeller, it will be directed towards outward direction due to this curved blade. यहां से लिक्विड अंदर आ जाता है और कर्व ब्लेड जो है उस लिक्विड को बाहर की तरफ आउटसाइड इन आउटसाइड डायरेक्शन दे आर गोइंग टू सेंड दैट लिक्विड, एंड व्हेन it will be sent outside, this particular casing is, due to that cover, this water which is highly pressurized or liquid which is highly pressurized will be sent outside through delivery pipe at a certain height. In our day-to-day life, most of the time we are using such kind of the centrifugal pump either to pump the water for the irrigation purpose. खेती के लिए हमें जो पानी खेती को देना है, इसलिए हम most of the time such kind of the centrifugal pump we are using. आपको पता है कि कैनल से पानी पंप करने के लिए या रिवर से पानी पंप करने के लिए हम सेंट्रीफ्यूगल पंप वहां लगाते हैं. Sometime to pump the water from the lower height to higher height in our domestic use also, हमारे घर में भी जब नीचे कोई कुआं है या पानी का सोर्स है और उधर से हमें अपने बिल्डिंग के टॉप पर जो लगा हुआ टैंक है उसमें अगर पानी या लिक्विड ट्रांसफर करना है, तो वी आर यूजिंग such kind of the centrifugal pump for this pumping purpose. Okay, understand? So give the heading working. Working as shaft of motor is coupled with shaft of centrifugal pump, comma, shaft of centrifugal pump, comma, when motor is started. When motor is started. When motor is started. Full stop. Shaft of motor will get rotational motion shaft of motor will get rotational motion, and such motion is transferred to the shaft of centrifugal pump, then shaft will also start rotations. Okay, now time does not allow us to continue hence before, so in a next lecture I will dictate the remaining working of this centrifugal pump, and then we will focus on application of centrifugal pump and priming process. Okay, so time being I will stop here only. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Take care.